Hello everyone. In today's class, we will solve another coding question. This question has been asked in a lot of coding interviews and it is common also. It is very common and everyone should know this. The question is reverse words in a given string. A string is given, we have to reverse the words in a string. So how do we do that? We will see. Let us see. Suppose that we have a string called this is a cat. Okay, this is our string. And the resultant string should be cat is this. The words are reversed in the string. So how we can do that? So what we can do is, first of all, we reverse this string every character by character. Okay, so the whole string is reversed. The reverse string becomes tac, like this is the last character, so it comes to the first character, and the second last becomes the second character. So the string is reversed in this manner. So first we need to reverse the string, and then we need to reverse whenever each word, whenever see a space, we reverse the word before it, the space. When we start traversing from the first element, whenever we encounter space, we reverse the word that is before that space. So we encounter a space here, so we reverse this word, that is stack becomes cat. Then then we carry on, we see another space here, so a is reversed to a is only a. Then we see another space here, the word before this space is si becomes is. So in the end, when the string comes to the last element, what we do is we reverse the last word, because we are not going to encounter any space here. So when the string comes to an end, we reverse the last word also. So siht become this. So this will be our answer. So first we have to do is reverse the whole string, then reverse whenever we encounter a space, we reverse the word before that space. Okay, then we should start coding now. Okay, so in this question we don't have spaces, we have space is represented by dots here, so we have to take this in mind. And here we have to do t number of test cases. And okay, so let us start coding. Int t for t number of test cases. See in t, now take t number of test cases, and a0 equal to 0, a0 is smaller than t a0 plus plus. Okay, now take input string s, c in s. Okay, it is taken. Then int n, which is s dot length, okay, then I comma j. Okay, so string dot length, what we have to do is we start traversing it. We take two more things, like x, we initiate it to 0, and y. Okay, while I is less than n, what we do is first we need to reverse the string. Okay, the first part, reverse string s dot. This is a reverse function in STL. Okay, the string is reversed. Now what we need to do is when we start traversing the string, whenever we hit a space, in this case a dot, we reverse the whole word before that dot. So what we need to do is make I equal to 0 and start traversing it. If s of I is equal to a dot, in this case a dot, then what we need to do is before that ith element will be the last character of that word. So y is basically I minus 1. Okay, and x represents the starting of the word that is before the space. Okay, so we had, in the first case, x will be 0 for the first word. Okay, So we start reversing the word. So how we can do is, like, x is smaller than y, we need swapping it, mm, swap s of x with x s of y. Okay, now x plus plus and y minus minus. This function will reverse this, the whole word before it, before the space. Then we need, after that the word is reversed, then we initialize x to the next character, I plus 1, the next starting of the next word after the space. Okay, so everything is done, and I plus plus. Okay, so till here the word till the last space will be reversed. All the words till the last space will be reversed. Now we need to reverse the last word. Okay, so what we can do is, we initialize y to n minus 1, the character of the last word, which is n minus 1, and x is initialized, so we swap the same thing, we can do the same thing, and we need to output the s here. Okay, now we should start compile, see for the compilation. Okay, I think we are correct. Ready for evaluation. Okay, correct answer. Thanks for watching.